the star that might explode tomorrow. High above us in the shoulder of Orion, a red giant is dying. Its name is Betelgeuse, a star so massive that if it sat where our sun is, its edge would stretch far beyond the orbit of Jupiter. For millions of years, it has burned with quiet fury, a heartbeat in the vast stillness of space. But now its time is running out, and when a star like this reaches its end, it doesn't fade away, it erupts, a supernova, the most violent kind of death in the universe. In a single heartbeat, its core collapses under its own weight. Temperatures soar to billions of degrees, then an explosion so powerful it outshines entire galaxies. If Betelgeuse were to explode tonight, you would see it from Earth, a bright new light in the sky, brighter than the full moon, visible even in daylight. For weeks it would burn, a cosmic fire blazing across the heavens, and then would vanish, leaving only dust. But that dust becomes everything. The iron in your blood, the carbon in your bones, the oxygen you breathe, all born in the heart of dying stars. Every atom of you was once inside a supernova. You are not separate from the universe, you are its echo, a moment of awareness in an endless cycle of destruction and rebirth. Scientists watch Betelgeuse closely. They've seen it dim and brighten again, as if breathing its last. But the truth is, no one knows when it will finally happen. It could be 100,000 years from now, or tomorrow. So the next time you look up at Orion's shoulder, remember one of those stars may already be gone. You're just seeing its light still on its way here, from a past that no longer exists. Like the video, subscribe, and keep exploring the mysteries that hide in plain sight. Hidden science, where science feels like magic.